Nuno F. Loureiro, a distinguished professor of nuclear science and engineering and physics at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and director of MIT's Plasma Science and Fusion Center, has died at age 47. Loureiro, a leading theoretical physicist whose work advanced the understanding of plasma and fusion science, passed away on December 15, 2025. Authorities in Brookline, Massachusetts, where Loureiro lived, confirmed he was shot at his home on Monday evening and later died at a Boston hospital. A homicide investigation is underway, and as of now no suspect has been publicly identified or arrested. Born in 1977 in Viseu, Portugal, Loureiro showed an early aptitude for science. He studied physics at Instituto Superior Técnico in Lisbon, earning both his undergraduate and master's degrees before completing his PhD in physics at Imperial College London in 2005, focusing on nonlinear plasma instabilities. After his doctorate, Loureiro conducted postdoctoral research at Princeton Plasma Physics Laboratory and then at the UK Atomic Energy Authority's Culham Centre for Fusion Energy. He returned to Portugal in 2009 as a faculty researcher before joining MIT's faculty in 2016. At MIT, Loureiro became a leading figure in fusion research, exploring how plasmas behave in both laboratory and cosmic environments. His investigations into magnetized plasma dynamics, turbulence, and magnetic reconnection deepened scientific understanding of the challenges facing fusion energy, the quest to replicate the sun's power on Earth. His work also explained phenomena in astrophysical plasmas, such as those associated with solar flares and neutron-star mergers. In 2024, Loureiro was named director of the Plasma Science and Fusion Center, one of MIT's largest research units charged with plasma and fusion science that includes more than 250 scientists and students. Colleagues and students at MIT remembered Loureiro not only for his scientific brilliance, but for his warmth, leadership, and mentorship. Dennis White, a former head of the Nuclear Science and Engineering Department and past PSFC director, said Loureiro was universally admired for his articulate, compassionate manner, and that his loss was immeasurable to the fusion community. Diepto Chakraborty, head of MIT's physics department, highlighted Loureiro's inspiring role as a mentor, especially for graduate researchers, and noted his exciting work on quantum computing algorithms applied to plasma simulations. Loureiro was also a dedicated educator, teaching core courses in plasma physics and magnetohydrodynamics. For his teaching efforts, he twice received the Department of Nuclear Science and Engineering's Outstanding Professor Award. Over his career, Loureiro garnered several prestigious honors, including the American Physical Society Thomas H. Stix Award for Early Career Contributions to Plasma Physics and the Presidential Early Career Award for Scientists and Engineers in 2025. He was also a Fellow of the American Physical Society. His research, blending deep theory with practical challenges in fusion energy, brought scientists closer to understanding how to confine and control ultra-hot plasmas for clean, sustainable power. His work on plasma turbulence, in particular, remains foundational for ongoing fusion device development. MIT President Sally Kornblith and faculty across science and engineering expressed profound sorrow at Loureiro's passing, emphasizing his impact as both a scholar and a person. The shock of his sudden death has reverberated through MIT and the broader scientific community. Authorities continue to investigate the circumstances of Loureiro's death in Brookline. As the inquiry unfolds, colleagues and loved ones remember him for his brilliance, kindness, and the considerable promise his work held for science and humanity.